Customer reviews contain powerful insights, but reading them one by one is time consuming. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly perform sentiment analysis using ChatGPT and ChatGPT for Excel. Let's say we have a column of customer reviews in Excel. Using ChatGPT, we can instantly analyze whether each review is positive, negative, or neutral. ChatGPT reads the context, understands emotions, and classifies the feedback accurately, even when the language is mixed or nuanced. Let us quickly understand how to do sentiment analysis using ChatGPT. So, in this Excel, we have a list of customer reviews. For discussion purposes, we just have 50 customer reviews, but this could be well in hundreds and thousands. So, to do the sentiment analysis, what I'll do is I'll copy all the comments by pressing Control C and then go to ChatGPT and paste the comments over here. And then I'll write a simple prompt saying, can you classify these customer reviews as positive, neutral, or negative in a tabular format? So, what I'm asking ChatGPT to look at each of the reviews and classify them as positive, negative, or neutral in a tabular format, which I can easily copy and paste in my Excel sheet. This is amazing. So, ChatGPT has started doing the sentiment classification in the tabular format, and it is doing this for all the customer reviews. So, all the customer reviews have been classified, and what we can do is we can copy this table by clicking over here, and we can easily paste this in the Excel in a new sheet. So, needs some formatting, but this exercise is done in a matter of seconds. Let's see what else we can do using the chat GPT. So we'll write another prompt saying what are the key concerns raised by the customers. So ChatGPT has listed the key concerns raised by the customers across the reviews. So the first concern is battery life issues. So battery drains quickly, doesn't last as advertised, inconsistent backup, stops charging after a few weeks. Connectivity problem, so Bluetooth connection drops, limited range, pairing and stability issues, sound quality limitations. Then we have product reliability and durability, build and usability issues, value for money, and customer support. So it has in detail given us what are the top concerns raised by the customers across the reviews. Let's see, we want to present this to the management. So what we can write is will give it another request saying that can you please look at the data and create a word cloud with the keywords in the customer feedback, highlight the positive comments in green and negative in orange. A word cloud is a visual representation of text data where the size of each word shows how frequently it appears in text. So these word clouds are normally used for customer review analysis, employee survey feedback, social media comments, etc. So here is the word cloud. So it has created two word clouds, one for positive and one for negative comments. We can also ask it to create one word cloud with both positive and negative comments together. So let's try to do it again. So what we can say is, can you please look at the data and create a word cloud with the keywords in the customer feedback, highlight the positive comments in green and negative in orange, both the sentiments positive and negative should be highlighted in a single word. So I'm asking it to create a single word cloud with all the keywords. Let's see what it does. It's analyzing the data again. Wow. Now here is the word cloud a single word cloud with the negative comments in orange and positive in green. The size of the words describes how many times a word has been used or the frequency of usage of the words in the customer reviews. So this is an amazing way how we can do sentiment analysis using ChatGPT. We can download or copy this word cloud and put it in a PowerPoint presentation for our reports. Now, let's take this a step further using ChatGPT for Excel. With a simple AI formula, we can analyze sentiment directly inside Excel row by row. This means we can process hundreds of customer reviews in seconds without writing any code. So we'll again go to our Excel sheet. Here we have all the customer reviews. So we'll write a simple formula. So we'll say is equal to AI.ask, bracket open, give the prompt. So the prompt is here. Analyze the sentiment of the customer reviews and return the rating as positive, neutral, or negative, and then comma, and then we'll link it to the customer review. Bracket close and enter. So ChatGPT will look at this review and classify this as positive, negative, or neutral. So in this case, the review is positive. Sound quality is amazing and battery lasts all day. Absolutely love it. So if we want to analyze all the other comments, so we can Control C, copy this formula, and then paste it using Control and V. Okay, this is empty because we haven't fixed it. I'll press F2 and then press F4 to fix the prompt, and we can copy and paste this formula now. So now the sentiments have been classified quickly with as neutral, positive, or negative based on the customer review. Let's look at another example. So here what we'll do is we'll use all the comments above and then ask ChatGPT to create a list of 25 words used by the customers in their feedback. So we will again type is equal to AI dot ask, bracket open, the prompt is here, and then we'll give the range for all the customer reviews by selecting all of them at once, close the bracket and enter. So again, ChatGPT will look at individual comments and then or give us the keywords used by the customers. Here there is a space issue, so let me extend this and see we have a list of 25 keywords in the customer feedbacks, which includes the sound quality, battery, amazing, fast, price, expectations, clear, performance, experience, overpriced, etc. So this is how we can use ChatGPT and ChatGPT for Excel to do a quick customer review analysis. The output produced can be used for dashboards, trend analysis, or even management reports, helping businesses understand customer satisfaction at a glance. This is a powerful example of how AI and Excel can turn unstructured text into meaningful business insights. Thank you.